Yo, what's good, guys? Hope you're doing well. Sorry for my hairstyle today. I was at gym, but let's start with let's do the bias for today. So starting on daily on ES we are right now above all-time highs. On NQ we have this clear bias liquidity here, this way high, and probably this one here, but I don't think that we are going to reach both of them in one session, especially after what yesterday candle did. Dropping to 4 hour. 4 hour there is nothing special. This candle went higher, respected this order block, went higher. Right now I'm looking for this buy side liquidity. On ES, price looks much weaker than on NQ. Like price, like if you compare those, you will see it. 1 hour, 1 hour. So basically we opened open, low, high, close. So it looks like bullish day. So maybe it might be a bullish day and we won't reverse at this buy side liquidity like completely, Maybe there will be some type of reversal, but not like going going to the downside to take this low. I don't think so. This manipulation lower at 6 p.m. is clean. But what I don't like on ES is that we are creating this trend line here. So retails are buying on those levels. So like that's something I don't like. And also if you take a look on 1 hour, we are like price is weak. We are not creating any FVG like on NQ. So that's like I will be cautious with what is going on here. Going into 50-minute. Actually, let's see. Yeah, so we made this manipulation. I believe this manipulation is also aligned with this buy side liquidity here. Right now we are in this standard deviation projections level. Ireland went higher. London manipulate below this 3-day open. So right now, like it also looks like we are going to go for this buy side liquidity. The only thing is that right now I'm thinking if we are going to make manipulation lower for this buy side liquidity, or we'll just go up and then reverse, because I think that's two things that can happen. Like right now we close it. Like I don't like this closure on ES. So we'll see, but I know that this buy side liquidity is the key level of this session, and right now depends if we are going to take it and go higher or reverse, because we also have those clear equal lows, so this buy side liquidity on NQ is my first target, and I'm also looking for equal highs. So right now I will be looking for what price is going to do here. If price, for example, here go lower to take those equal lows, and on NQ we create SMT, then I will be looking for a nice buy to this buy side liquidity. And same comes if we don't take those lows, we went higher to this buy side liquidity. I will look if price want to go higher, or if we want to make a short-term retracement. So yeah, we will see. So we will see after. We will discuss what happened after the session. So yeah, see ya. Yeah, we are after the session. One loss, one stupid loss. I was like, not stupid loss, it was a good loss. I was stopped by one tick. It's not really fun to look at those losses, like losses here, losses here, losses here, losses here, like losses. But those are expenses, and I'm fucking okay. Like I feel a little pain, but behind my head I know that, bro, you don't even fucking know how happy you are going to be in the future, after like the more losses you take right now, I don't mean like stupid losses, the more like losses from which you can learn you take right now will have a higher impact on you in the future, so that's fucking okay. Like risk management, right now I am down 700 on my funded future account. That's okay. Like the expire date is 28th. so I have still some time to sorry to pass it. So yeah, that's okay. Like risk management, one good win, and I'm back. So let's analyze what happened today, like every day. So daily, yeah. So one thing that I missed and was really really important today is what that what profile is this week? It's weekly buy. Why? Because Monday did nothing, Tuesday expanded, third Wednesday expanded, so it cannot be Wednesday reversal. So what will Friday do? Thursday do? It will expand. Why? Because it's bi week. So that was really important because we have those two levels. So it could have been anticipated that today will expand, like really fucking expand. Despite that Tuesday expanded, despite that Wednesday expanded, is bi week. So Thursday can also expand. And knowing that we have those two important levels right there, it could have been anticipated that after we take this buy side liquidity, we'll continue going higher. Plus, of course, like new president who has a big impact on economy, which can also lead to like expansions like that. So bi week, that was really important because knowing that, I wouldn't even I wouldn't even look for shorts. I didn't take any short, but that's something that I was keeping in my mind, and I thought that maybe we'll reverse, like make a reversal here, but we couldn't reverse here because it's bi week, and we have still somewhat objective right there. Okay, so knowing that, let's go further. What happened? So yeah, we expanded. We took the levels I said I will be looking to take for our nothing special 1 hour. Wait, no, 1 hour. Yeah, there was some things on 1 hour. Like not really. Like there was no real retracement. 15 minute. Wait. 15 minute. Mm-hmm. Wait. Something is wrong here. Oh, and the one thing that I didn't mention in the video, which was also important, is that the low was created at 8:30. Why? Because there was SMT and we created the low in the 15-minute PD array. So that's okay to anticipate that this will be the low of the session. Addition plus it's weak by expansion. So because I said that I'm looking for those equal lows, but what I didn't show is that we create the low of the session at the important level, at the key time. Why important level? Because it was 15 minute FVG on NQ. It was low on the ES. There was an SMT, which is also a great confirmation. So seeing that, knowing that we have two important levels above, knowing that it's bi week, knowing that there is a new president who has a big impact on price, that like everything, when everything blends, everything makes sense. So I'm still learning to like predict things like that, but that's okay, bro. That's okay. Like whenever you feel that, damn, like again, like I was thinking something, but that didn't happen. That's okay, bro. Like we are learning. We are fucking learning. Like we can't how to say we can't like we cannot I have forgot the word. We cannot expect from us like to know everything. Like especially if you are like 1 year in trading. I'm only 1 year in trading, and like, bro, that's fucking okay, bro. Like imagine what will be in 10 years. Like imagine what will you know in 10 years. So that's normal. 5 minutes, yeah, 5 minutes. There was also some things. So yeah, let's just go it on the live charts. And I will also like discuss at the end the loss I took, also the paper trades I took. So yeah, daily. Let's start with everything. So daily went higher again. Why? Bi week, new president, those clear buy side liquidity. Could have been expected that there will be a huge expansion higher. Yeah, because in my mind I was like, damn, like Wednesday expanded so much. Like, damn. But bro, if Wednesday didn't reverse, what does it mean? That is buy week, buy week, buy sell liquidity, presidential election. Sorry that I'm repeating this, but I want to remember this, That's really important. Okay, 4 hour, there was nothing special right now and before. There was no real reactions. Let's go with 1 hour because that's more interesting. So it's also a great sign of this buy day today was that we created this low here. So at 6 p.m. we went lower. So what it is, this is the low of the day. Why? We already made the manipulation lower. So what we could have anticipate seeing that price will go higher. That's what I said in the video, I think. So yeah, also London manipulated below the midnight open, so that's also important thing. Oh yeah, I didn't like on 1 hour this slow movement here, this slow movement. I didn't like that, but again, buy week, buy side liquidity. Let's stop. Let's stop with this. We already everyone here already know what was the case today. So yeah, so those equal lows, I was looking for them, but what I didn't show is that there was this SMT. The low was created at key time, at key level. What does it mean? That once the low was established here, I could be how to say? Wait, I could be. Well, I think sometimes I will need to check some words. I could be calm. Yeah, calm. That's easy word. That I could be calm. I could have been calm, seeing those equal lows that we will not take them. Maybe because I also don't want to uh, like try to know everything and try to predict every fucking move. That's unneeded. Like you can buy and sell no matter if you 15 minutes. That's all you need to make money on those markets. But I want more. So yeah, I could have been more calm with those equal lows because we created the low at 8:30. We created the SMT. I could have if I had knew that this will be the low of the day because of these things that I said, I would be more calm with those equal lows and I wouldn't be looking for a reversal here. 5 minute. 5 minute. Yeah, there was also a lot of things in a lot of important things, but let's start with 1 minute and we'll jump between the time frames to actually see everything. So this low here, price was going higher. On ES we were respecting this breaker block 9:30. What happened at 9:30? So at before 9:30, price created an SMT here. We were really close to this daily buy sell liquidity here. What happened on 9:30? Expansion, bang. You could buy here. You could buy here and target this buy sell liquidity. Bang. Once we took it. Once we took it, and knowing that 8:30 is the low of the session, you could just buy here and wait until 10, and that's what I do on paper trades. Like at the beginning I sell this shit. Don't ask me why that was a paper trade. That's why I have paper trading to do things like that. That I don't like. Let's just skip it. So once I saw that, bro, 8:30 is the low of the session, we'll expand until 10. So that's why you could buy here. Then price made a retracement into the 5-minute. Wait, it was here. Let me do something like that. 5-minute. It was here. So price come back to the discount of this 5-minute range. Expanded market maker buy model. This could be much entry with higher confluence because this 9:30, seeing that we are reacting to the premium, was clear that this won't be like this was an additional confluence, you know. So you could buy on this order block another entry here, and you could sell once we reach 10. I close here. Okay, what happened next? So let me pull up ES chart. Yeah, good, 1 minute. So then like in this area, price was like there was nothing. Wait, let me see what was going on NQ here. 15 minute. What it is. Oh, okay, it was here. So on 15 minute there was no FVG, like how we see on ES. Wait. On ES there was also no FVG. There was this volume imbalance. So I was quite like, I was looking if price is going to respect this. But once I saw this breaker and like this reversal, like this bearish breaker, like initially I sell it, but I said, bro, like there is no higher time frame like POI that you could target, you know. Like of course there was at the beginnings when I didn't knew one thing that I will tell you in a moment. I knew that on 5 minutes, if you take a look, it was here, like price was consolidating, and if you drag a fib, there was this nice FVG in the discount here, you see. So actually I was looking to sell here and to like have my TP here, but once I see that, like before I wasn't using 30 minute time frame, but when I see that on 30 minute price created an FVG, we closed like a consolidation candle, I knew that, bro, I knew that we are going for this FVG. So that's why I sold on this candle. My TP was at this 30 minute FVG. Why? Because we were still bullish. It was just a short-term trade. It wasn't like a long, like it wasn't like a hard, like the market maker buy model with higher time frame. Actually, this consolidation here was accumulation, which was setting a market maker buy model into the with higher time frame narrative, you know. That's like, I will just say it right now to also remember it, because sometimes I feel that those types of trades are like like how to say, like, wait, I will check a word. Like worse than the long-term trades. Like no, like I mean that those type of short-term scalps, I think that sometimes they are worse, but those are just short-term scalps, and you can also, okay, that like doesn't matter, you know. I have this thought in my mind, but I won't share it with you. Sorry, bro. I can say it. I don't know how to say it. Okay, so here price was setting this market maker buy model. Why? Because there was this accumulation which were setting the market maker, the first stage of market maker buy model. Manipulation, the 30 minute FVG. You could also, if you don't use 30 minute, this was also a discount of this 5 minute range. FVG here, great closure without taking, oh, and also to the previous trade there was SMT, which was like cherry at the cake, you know. I don't know if it's a good word, but doesn't matter. So yeah, accumulation here, beautiful close. I took this trade and I took a loss here, and let's see this loss. Like, bro, that's okay, that's fucking okay, bro. Like that will happen, and that's the losses I want to take. Like I don't want to take the losses when price is going in the other way. So wait, let me actually show you on my account that I took this trade. Okay, wait, I think I took it on, yeah, you see. Like one point, and I would be still in the, I would have still been in this trade. That's okay, that's fucking okay, I don't care. So yeah, we went there, and on ES, on ES, if you take a look, there was a 15-minute FVG. It was, wait, no, okay, sorry. So, oh, it was here. So on ES there was nothing, but because this was, wait, let me see if there was, okay. And there was also SMT, 30-minute FVG on NQ. Higher time frame narrative was bullish. That's why it was a great trade, but I get stopped out. That's okay. That's okay. So going further. Like also here, when this trade was creating, there was an SMT here, but I didn't care about it because I knew that will run at least this high, you know. So going further, so we went higher, we set a high here, we set a high here. So actually I was looking for some type of reversal, at least for some lows here. They were so clear, bro, but price didn't do it. Why price didn't do it, bro? Like for every answer there is always a response. Let me actually close those executions on paper trade. And what happened? So if you take a look at this moment on NQ, price was in this, we created this 15-minute FVG and price went there. So you could anticipate a reversal if we would have disrespected this FVG, you know. But because price respected it, then you could anticipate higher prices, like higher prices still. So if you drop into 5-minute, there was this FVG, like this gray line. This is this 15-minute FVG. I will also line the low of it here. 5-minute. If you drag a fib from this level, from this range, like same thing, bro. Price went into the discount, and you can just look how price is reacting at the important levels. So seeing that we went to this 5-minute discount range, we respected this FVG. You see, like we went to it and we just went above. We created a 5-minute breaker. I didn't bought here. Like I took entry then on ES, and actually I closed it with like little win here, but it was paper. I didn't take this entry here. Why? Because price was lethargic, so it was like sketchy for me. But we respected this 15-minute FVG, but I didn't like those lows. That's why I was like, I wanted to see speed here, but because there was no speed, I didn't take it. But if you take a look, price was respected this inverted FVG, and actually this entry here, I could have taken it. Why? Because on ES at that time, we disrespected this 5-minute FVG here, so it was a great confluence that, like, and I bought here on ES, but it will be better to buy on NQ. Why? Because NQ is much more volatile. So it was this kind of yeah, so there was this entry, like it was valid entry. Right now I see that it was a valid, despite this lethargic price action. I could have taken it on my live account. So yeah, like on my funded account, so yeah, we ran this high here, and we still has this important high, and like price was moving towards it. But right now it's like lunchtime, so price is doing nothing. So yeah, yeah, I think that's all for today. Like great session, a loss, but that's okay, bro. Here, yeah, so I think that's all for today. If someone watched this video, I hope you like it. So yeah, and one thing I want to remind myself is that I didn't look at weekly profile. I like sometimes I still need to take deep look into the price action, but I'm still learning. That's okay. I don't need to predict every move. That's okay. Like still learning. I can make money without knowing what's going on daily. I can make money without it, like how you see on the paper trade. That's why I'm also doing paper trade, to like overcome some like some, how to say, some barriers, you know, because like generally on my life account I want to take the best trades, you know. That's why. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see ya.